Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be talking about the 5 key components of hair growth for black hair. And when I say black hair, I mean kinky hair. I'll also be doing a bit of lock maintenance. Well, I don't really have to do much. My hair is already styled in my summer go-to rope twists. I love doing rope twists for my summer style because I can keep them in, I can wash them while they're in the rope twists. They're really easy to throw up in buns and head wraps and ponytails, and it just gets in the way a lot less than having it completely out. So yeah, so all I really need to do now is mist my hair and oil it a bit. So component number 1 is manage stress. Now this is probably not the first component that comes to your mind when you think about growing your hair, but it should be, because the leading cause of hair loss in women is stress. And it's up there for men. Now, it's probably number 2 for men. I'll double check. While we can't control the stressors that enter our life 100%, what we can do is control how we deal with it. One thing that's really helpful for me personally is taking adaptogenic herbs. A really popular one is ashwagandha. Another one is rhodiola, lemon balm. Use these herbs in the form of tinctures, teas, capsules, and you'll notice how much more calm you feel. And I just misted my hair with the rosewater moisturizer. I'm going to squeeze it in a little bit before I add the horsetail oil for strengthening and sealing the moisture. But also, make sure you're getting rest. Sleep. How many hours of sleep do you typically get? Leave me a comment below. But we want to aim to about 8 hours of sleep every single night. Sleeping is when our body repairs itself. So you can't adequately heal if you're not getting adequate sleep. Also focus on your daily self-care, whether that be meditation, journaling, going on nature walks, or if maybe you live in a city, and can't really access natural paths for you to walk through. It's okay. Put on some headphones, listen to some calming music while you're walking through the city. It's okay. Now the second component is internal health. Our hair is made of protein, a protein called keratin. So we need to make sure that the foods that we're eating are properly serving our hair. Consume a balanced diet full of iron, zinc, omega-3s, antioxidants, and what you can't get in your diet, make sure to supplement it. It's really hard for us to consume the recommended amounts of these nutrients in our foods because, one, they're really high, especially when it comes to transforming your hair. The recommended dosages are really high, so I do recommend supplementation. Be sure to check out my hair, skin, and nail supplement, Keisha. Fun fact, Keisha stands for Keisha Charmaine Vitamins. And that way you can easily get the recommended dosage for tons of nutrients that are perfect for attaining and maintaining healthy growing hair, glowing skin, and strong nails as well. And I do also want to note that just the quality of our food these days, due to the soil being stripped and depleted, we just don't get as much nutrients from the soil for our foods anymore. Therefore, our foods are not as nutritious as they used to be. So also keep that in mind, and definitely incorporate supplementation. Component number 3, this is a big one, scalp care. Now this one should be obvious, right? Our hair grows from our scalp. Blood circulation to our scalp is what creates that hair growth. So if we're getting all our nutrients from our foods and our supplements, but we're not getting adequate circulation to our scalp, we're not going to see any drastic change in our hair growth. So prioritize scalp massages, exercise, things that are going to get your blood flowing and flowing to the scalp. And also make sure your scalp is clean. Wash your hair regularly. I've learned my scalp and it likes to be washed every 2 weeks. It's your job to learn your scalp to see how often you should wash your scalp for its optimum environment. Component number 4, moisture retention. So our hair, and when I say our, I mean those of us who have kinky textured hair, our hair tends to run dry. Our hair tends to be porous. So it is harder for our hair to retain moisture. Why is that important? Dry hair, brittle hair breaks. If our goal is to grow long, healthy hair, then we can't have breaking hair. So that means we have to put in that work to make sure that our hair can retain moisture better. I recommend using water-based moisturizers, sealing in that moisture with a lightweight oil, sleeping on satin pillowcases, tying your hair in satin scarves, and wearing satin bonnets. Doing this regularly helps our hair retain moisture, which means our hair can stay moisturized longer. Also, avoid excess heat. That's a big one. And key component number 5, last but not least, low manipulation styling. So what does that mean? When we are constantly styling our hair, combing our hair, running our fingers through our hair, we could be weakening our hair from roots to tip. Our hair likes protective styles. While locks within themselves are a protective style in a way, very often a lot of us with locks still over manipulate our hair. Putting your hair in styles that you can just leave in, such as rope twists, help to reduce and cut back on your manipulation. Also consider how tightly and how frequently you retwist your hair. How often you retwist should go hand in hand with whether you have fine hair or coarse hair. High tension styles cause inflammation at the scalp, which can lead to hair loss. So if you are on your hair growth journey, I highly recommend going towards low manipulation styles so you can leave your hair alone. So that is it. Those are my top 5 key components of hair growth for black hair. As seen in the video, you saw me moisturize with the rosewater moisturizer. You saw me seal in that moisture with the horsetail leaf growth oil. And these products are available on KeishaCharmaine.com. And for those of you who are interested in incorporating a hair, skin, and nails multivitamin to supplement your diet, check out Kashavi. It's available on Kashavi.com. And right now we have a special going on. Normally it's $59.99, but right now it is $39.99, and plus you'll get 2 digital downloads with your purchase, 1 hair smoothie recipe ebook, and 2 our daily hair care guide, which has some exclusive bonuses inside of there. So definitely grab that now while the special is available. All links down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.